4,000-year-old settlement found during excavation in Odisha. So archaeologists find distinct traces of three cultural phases of the site. So this is a very interesting news. It has its importance in the historic phases of the culture, and definitely a likely question in the preliminary as much as in the main in the culture under the culture topic. So let's see what is it that discovery about. They found that the Durga Devi village in Ramina Tehsil, a circular mud fortification of about 4.9 kilometers was found, and they found that it is a various tools and also the tools of the Stone Age and Copper Age were found. So I think it's important that before we go into the discovery, we must be able to understand the importance, the appreciate what actually is the significance about this, which phase of the culture. In the march of history, in the march of human history, prehistory history is divided into Paleolithic, Old Stone Age, Mesolithic, Microlithic, 10,000 BC era, and Neolithic, 10,000 to 6,000. Chalcolithic, it is called Chalcolithic, CHA, but pronounced as Chalcolithic, Bronze, and Mesolithic, Iron Ages. So the transition between Stone Age and Metal Age is the Chalcolithic period. So in fact, Chalcolithic period is related to a period denoting in the 4th to 3rd millennia BC, chiefly in the northeast and southeastern Europe, during which some weapons and tools were also made of copper. The period was largely Neolithic in character. So this is the thing. So there were four important stages: Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, Chalcolithic. And the first metal age is known to be Chalcolithic, and the copper stone and low-grade copper was used, stone objects were used, and low-grade bronze was used. In fact, iron use was about to start about this time. So this was the important discovery. Let's go into the discovery. The Odisha Institute of Maritime, East and Southeast Asian Studies and Archaeological Wing of the state government has discovered a 4,000-year-old settlement and ancient artifacts in Balasore. So settlements and what are the artifacts? Objects, potteries, coins, and any other material remains that are lying buried and obtained in the fossil remains of this excavation. Those are all called artifacts, tools that are used. According to Archaeological Survey of India, the site has a circular mud fortification of about 4.9 kilometers between the Sona River to the south and the Buraha Balang River on its northeast margin. So this was their finding, and they have found that these are some of the artifacts, stones that were used. So like I said, the entire history is characterized by Mesolithic, Neolithic, Chalcolithic, and Megalithic. So Mesolithic is basically the Paleolithic is basically Old Stone Age. Mesolithic is a microlithic one. Neolithic is between 10,000 to 6,000 BC era, and Chalcolithic is a bronze, also copper stone Bronze Age, and Megalithic is called Iron Age. So we are confining to this discussion on Chalcolithic. This discovery, these stones that you find, material remains that you find in this picture relate to mostly Chalcolithic age. This is the transition between Stone Age and the Metal Age. Archaeologists have come across three distinct races of these cultural phases at the excavation site. Firstly, Chalcolithic, 2000 BC era to 1000, and Iron Age succession into 1000 BC to 400 BC era, and the early historic period 400 BCE to 200 BCE. This is the importance of the discovery, and it has been observed that they made the tools, and in the period of human culture preliminary to the Bronze Age, characterized by the use of copper, stone, and the tool. And this Chalcolithic period is recognized not only in Europe and Central Asia, but also in India. We have found that in India, these excavations were prevalent in Indus Valley, Saraswati rivers, and in that area, in the northern part, and particularly the present Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Orissa in that area. Now, this discovery again has been related to the history, the Orissa part. And Central India, mainly this was prevalent in Central India and Deccan region. And these cultures had 6 types of cultures. Ahar culture, Kayatha culture, Malwa culture, Sabalda culture, Jorwa culture, Prabhas culture, Rangappa culture, which means various metal remains have been used and found in Scott. Actually, this proto-historic period was lasted for 1.72 million years to 30,000 years ago, up to 1000. After that, all this Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Chalcolithic, Neolithic all started until the Megalithic, which is the Iron Age. So let's see what they actually discovered. They related to a period in the 4th and 3rd millennia, and during which the tools were made of copper. The period was largely Neolithic in character, and copper objects, stone objects, low-grade bronze objects were discovered. It is the period of human settlement preliminary to the Bronze Age, characterized of the copper stone tools, and this particular Chalcolithic period is recognized in terms of usage of stone and copper. Earlier, stone objects were receding, and Bronze Age was coming, and they were moving towards the Iron Age. So that is the importance of this finding. If you look at some of the finding, you will see that they were leading settled life in agriculture, and they were domesticating animals. And settled life is sedentary. How the human settlements, they have revealed that they were involved in their economy consisted of agriculture, domestication of animals and fishing, and they had this distinct phases of culture. And they found that 2 small nalas, that is Gangahar and Prasanna, joined the site on its moat in the north and southern, forming a natural moat, which was an ancient water management system. As you can see, there is a fortification of mud wall, which indicates the emergence of urban civilization or urban culture about to start at the time. So materials included a circular hut, a black-red painted pottery, black slipper pottery, and also the red slipper ware, and copper objects of various types. So these were the materials that were included. Economy is definitely hunting, agriculture, and fishing, and domestication of plants and animals. And this has been seen. And as you can see, the significance is also there. The word Chalcolithic means actually, Chalco means copper, lithic means stone. So stone and copper age. So mostly these are confined into 3 distinct phases, as it was been shown here. And mostly that was in the transition of this period. And also almost the Iron Age was starting about this time, and urbanization trends were shown that because of the fortification of this circular mud hut wall that was seen. So this is the significance of this discovery. And I think you should reflect on the types of periods, that is cultural period phases, which I mentioned, like the Paleolithic, Mesolithic to the megalithic stage, Iron Age, and also that is important. So from the base of the circular hut and also the material objects found, the lifestyle of people has been derived. People were mostly leading a settled life and agriculture, domestication. Use of iron is a landmark phase in the growth of this civilization in Odisha, particularly in North Odisha. So that is the importance of this.